Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Zendesk for ticket routing setup step by step clearly.
Begin by navigating to the Zendesk website.
Click on the Get Started or Sign Up button on the home page.
Fill out the necessary fields to create your account. Provide your email address, along with a password for your new account. Select your company name and fill in any additional required information. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. Once your account is created, check your email for a verification message. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Log into your Zendesk account using your email and password. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Zendesk dashboard. In the dashboard, navigate to the admin panel on the sidebar.
Click on Ticket Routing under the Business Rules section.
Here, you can set up your ticket routing preferences.
Choose the conditions that will determine how tickets are routed. You can select based on criteria like tags, ticket forms, or other attributes.
Define the actions for the specific conditions you set. Specify which group or agent should receive the tickets. Save your changes to activate the ticket routing setup.
Test the routing by creating a test ticket to ensure it works correctly.
Adjust any settings if necessary based on your test results.
Congratulations, you have successfully set up ticket routing in Zendesk. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.